What's going on YouTube? DS Sneaks coming out with another video today. Today's video is going to be about what shoes are going to be dropping for the month of January and February coming up very, very soon, actually. I mean, these months have been flying by since Christmas, so let's get right into the video. So first we got this shoe right here. We got the Juice Adidas Consortium NMB Racer. I love this shoe. It's really, really freaking dope. I love the design on it. If you guys want to know where they're going to be releasing for the global release, if you have a Juice store nearby, they're going to be releasing on January 13th, and they're going to be on clot.com, so just don't forget that. Love the shoe. Definitely a must cop. Next, we got the Gold Toe, the Jordan 1s. Honestly, this is a really hot shoe as well. They're planning on re-releasing on January 15th. They haven't really released any announcement on where they're going to be releasing, but I feel like it's going to be more Jordan retailers, so that could be Foot Locker, Foot Action. That's just my opinion. I think it's going to be dropping on one of those. Really, really like the shoe. The freaking, I just love the gold on this. It just pops in my opinion, and definitely going to be something that I'm going to be going for. I'm not really a big Jordan fan, like I've always told you guys, but definitely this is something I might actually get. Okay, the third one I'm going to talk about is the Levi Jordan 4, and I love this shoe. I don't know why, because I just like the whole pants design on the shoe. You don't have a shoe like this at all. Like, I've never seen an actual shoe like this with like pants material like the Levi's. Like, it's really, really dope. It's really, really unique, actually. It's one of the most unique shoes I've ever seen. Below, it gives you some stores where they're going to be releasing the jacket and also the shoe. Release is going to be January 17th, so don't forget that. This is the stores where the Jordan and the trucker jacket are released, and these are the stores that are just going to carry the shoe, which I know where I live, they're dropping it at Kith, so New York City. So I mean, maybe I might go buy it. There's no official announcement saying that it's going to be an online release. A lot of people have been asking me questions if it's going to be an online release or not. Honestly, at this point, I really don't know. It could happen. It might not happen. And if it doesn't, these are the stores that they're going to drop them. And that's pretty much the only way you can get them, because these are going to go for a pretty penny, since if they're going to be in store only, it's going to be really, really nice and resell. Next, we got the Air Jordan 3 OG Black Cements. I also love this shoe a lot. It's a really, really dope shoe. Plan to release February 17th. That week is going to be nuts, because you have like 3 or 4 different shoes dropping in the same week. So definitely something I might look into. It's really nice. Like I said, not a fan of Jordan, but definitely might just pick it up for resale. I mean, it really looks nice to someone who really likes Jordans. And next, we have the Pharrell Human Races. This is definitely a big release for me, because I cooked on the blue tints last time and the Beluga 2.0s with Splash Force, and honestly, this is going to be dope. The first one's going to come out is this one right here, the cream color right here on February 23rd, 2018. Really, really looking forward to it. Definitely going to be getting it for personal and a resell. But this is going to be a big, big release for me and the Sneaker Talk group, because they're going to be hosting the carts as well. If you guys don't know what Sneaker Talk group, you guys should go definitely check it out and apply for the Discord access. It will be open up February. That's when the website will be open. So definitely check that out. It's going to be a nice cook. And honestly, all these colorways are freaking awesome. Next is obviously everyone's favorite, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Red Toe. Let me tell you something. I like this. My red is not really my favorite color, but this shoe pops. It looks so beautiful. So definitely something I'm going to look into. February 24th is the actual release date. They're going to be dropping at retail stores, Jordan retail stores. So that's like Foot Locker, Foot Action, Eastbay. So that should be cool. It's definitely going to drop on Nike most likely. So definitely this is another shoe that I'm a fan of. I like the royal blue a lot, because that's personally my favorite color, but this one pops and I love it. To go back to the Human Races, they're going to be dropping all the additional colors on March 2nd. So you got the cotton candy looking ones with the green and the purple laces, and then you got the black, which in my opinion, I think the cotton candy with the green laces are definitely my favorite. I don't know if you have an opinion. You should guys just let me know in the comment section below, or what your favorite shoe is in the comment section below. But definitely the cotton candy with the green laces and the black are definitely the ones I'm going to be going for the most, and not spending my most time on, but it definitely is. Those are the two that catch my eye. Pretty much that's what's going to be releasing this month and the month of February going into March as well. Just wanted to guys give you a heads up of what's going to be dropping, so you guys don't sleep on it. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, it's at @DS_sneaks. You can definitely go follow it right there. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and like this video, guys. And it's your boy Damon Standish, DS Sneaks. I'm out.